Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices slipped more than 1% on Friday after a stronger than expected US jobs report dampened hopes for imminent Federal Reserve rate cuts this year, while silver soared to its highest level since 2012. Federal Reserve policymakers have already signalled they are in no rush to cut interest rates, and a government report showing the labour market is far from crumbling amid big trade policy changes only cements that stance. US President Donald Trump ratcheted up his calls for rate cuts. China's foreign exchange reserves rose by a less than expected $3.6 billion in May, official data showed, as the dollar continued to weaken against other major currencies. The country's foreign exchange reserves, the world's largest, rose 0.11%.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.